Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I will be demonstrating another project. Its name is Proyojon. So Proyojon is basically a web platform to encourage sustainable living by allowing users to donate and also sell items they no longer need and help others find items they could use. We are promoting a sustainable future, a greener future. So the key features that we have on this project, these are user registration and authentication process. Secondly, there is a user profile management. There is item news feed where you can see the items that will be posted by other users. There will be some sort of search functionality. There will be also a categories line where you can select the categories and will be sorted accordingly. And when you visit our website, the uh, posts will be sorted according to your location. So there is also the location based system, and there is also a real-time chat option where you can chat with other users from whom you want to collect the goodies, or you want to buy that from them. So that's the overall picture. And whenever you are posting an item, you can just uh, select a map location. I mean, you can't select the map location. It will be given according to where you are posting it from. So that's how it works. And you will have a criteria on your profile page. Based on that criteria, the the products will be shown on your post on your news feed on your feed. So let's move on to the demonstration. So this is the login page. At first, you have to register to our process. So for registering, I'm just taking a name. Let's say I'm telling Monon or something like that. So let's use a email ID, monon13@gmail.com. For the email, if you don't select a proper email, you won't be able to change the password if you forgot it later on. So make sure you provide a proper actual email that is registered on Google or any other platform. So let me give a password, and that's how we register. So let me click on to register. So you see there has been an error over here. The error says that password should be at least 6 characters. So you see I already only provided 5 characters, so it's not registered yet. So you need to at least show 6 characters. At least 6 character password is allowed over here. So let me give a 6 character password, and let me register. So I have registered it successfully. So you see it's already taking my current location. It's in Dhaka, and these are the posts related to Dhaka. You'll see that there are no posts that are from any other places. Only the Dhaka posts are available over here. If you are looking into it from a different location, you'll see the posts according to that. So there might be cases that in your location there has been no posts, so you might not even see any posts at all. And the category section, you see it's sorted according to categories. Like if I select books, there are only books over here. If I select clothes, it's only clothing. And also the search functionality works. Like if I just write car, you see only the cars are available over here. If I simply write photo, so you see the only the photo has arrived over here. So the first function works like this. So for the next thing that I'm gonna demonstrate over here, that is the post function. So here you see I'm currently located in my South Avenue location. It's giving it right here. So for posting, you need to take a picture of what item you want to post. Simply pull it over here and write a title, proper title, select category from here. If you think it doesn't belong to any of the categories, you can just select miscellaneous over here. Then post your contact number. Make sure you give a proper contact number, because if you don't do that, then it will be difficult for you to contact the other user whom you want to meet. And finally, if you want to sell it for free, you don't need to write anything. You can just write 0, or maybe not write anything. And if you want to sell the item, so just write the price in taka, in your currency. You don't need to write taka, you just need to click the numbers. And finally, there is a item specific address. So this is a description of the item. You can write whatever you want, overall description. And finally, there is the search location. So this is just giving Dhaka division from fetching from the map. As I'm using open source map, so it's not so specific in terms of location. But if you use Google Map, for this type of projects, that might give you a better result. As open source maps are free, so we are going with them. So let me create a post over here, and you'll see the post has been created over here. So that's on the post part. And in the my favorites part, you see there are no posts available over here because I have not selected yet any favorite post. So if I want to do that, I simply click onto this heart button, and if you go to the my favorites tab now, you'll see the post has already arrived over here. And for the buying process of the buying, or if you want to take the items for free someone, so at first you need to visit the posts. So here how the buying process works is like that. Initially you need to chat with the user from whom you want to buy, or you want to take the item for free. So after that, when you confirm that you will buy that product, or you will take that product from the user, then the user will simply go to his post items, and then he will mark it as booked. So in this way, what will happen, that if anyone else tries to take the post, that post will not be not yet available anymore, because you have already talked with the user and booked it with the help of him. So you have already seen that it has been booked like that, and I'll show the chat part later on. If you want to take an item from another person, let's say I move on to this plot, this one. Sorry for the technical difficulties. So if I want to come here, so at first you need to chat with the actual owner of the picture, or whatever you are taking, you want to buy or just take for free. So at first you need to chat with the donor, and if you chat with the donor, it will take you to the chat page, so where you can simply chat with him or her, whoever he or she is. And so here you can see that the title of whatever you are buying is shown here, and the username of the user that you are interacting with. There is an active status over here, and you can chat here. If you have confirmed with this user that you will buy, and he also confirms that the post will be sold to you, what he can do is simply book the item for you. As you have seen in this page already, he will just simply book the item, so no one else can take it from you. So after booking the items, you two persons physically meet somewhere, or maybe you decide it on the chat, but however you want to process that. So another thing that I forgot to mention, that is in the profile page. So in the profile page, you can select your interests. So there are many categories. You already seen this in the post page. So if I select a specific category that I want to see posts related to that categories, after selecting it, you just save interest, and you see a pop-up comes up that says interest updated successfully. What will happen is that whenever you are selecting a particular interest, any post, after saving your interest, any post related to that interest of category that will be displayed on this notification bar. Here the post will display, and you can just visit them to do whatever you want. So that's basically it. So thank you for the demonstration, and it would be better if I could show you a chat on this application. That's for later to decide, but up until now I think you've got the idea of overall what the project is about. If you have any queries, please knock me. I'll try to answer the questions. Thank you all.